Hey YouTube, HDE-Tech here. We're back with another quick unboxing with my main man Jax right here, Sleepyhead. The unboxing product today is the iPhone 13 in pink color. Yep, pink right here. And it seems like Jax is pretty curious about it. Alright, without further ado, let's dive right in. Voila! So, I might actually be able to do this one-handed. 1, 2. As always, very low profile, thin boxes. Yep, Jax, yep. Licking it, yep. I have to tell you, I'm not a pink guy, but this is nice. It's got a nice tone to it. Alright. Let's take it out. Set it aside for 2 seconds. We have the paperwork, SIM ejector tool, sticker I believe, and our USB-C to lightning cable. Yep, Jax, USB-C to lightning cable. And I know. See if you can sniff a charger brick, some type of a power supply in that box that's hidden. No? No. We even brought a sniffer dog to sniff out a charging brick, but nope. Not there, non-existent. So, this out of the way, you stay, this out of the way, and here we go. I'll allow you to listen to it. No? There you go. It's alive. Very matte aluminum finish around it. It is nice. It is nice. And the new animation. Gentlemen, you want to surprise your girlfriend, your wife, your fiance, your mom, your sister, this is the color to beat. This lighting, this camera does not do it any justice. You have to see it in store and pick one up. Alrighty. Well, thanks for joining us. Myself and Jax over here. I know, buddy, it's past your bedtime. Alrighty. Peace.